Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 27. What plugins should you install for your review model site? In this video, we will take a look at what plugins should you install for your review model site, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on our WordPress site's dashboard, and from here select plugins. Here you can see all the plugins we have installed. First is All-in-One SEO, click on this SEO settings. First is its general settings page, next is Webmaster Tools, and here are all the tools. From the left panel, select Search Appearances, and here you can see how it will appear on search results, and below we have options to insert site title, meta description, a person, or organization. Then we have content types. Show in search results, select yes or no. Next is schema markup, and here it is only available for licensed users. You can upgrade to the Pro version to unlock this feature. Again, go to Plugins from Dashboard. Next one is WP Review Pro, click on Settings. Here you can customize your site settings. This is General, then Styling. From here you can change your site styling. This is the default style of your review page with heading, features, summary, pros and cons, then color. You can change styling and see the preview on the right, how it will look like. Select the one you like. Then we have Defaults and Embed. Next on panel, we have Pop-up Setting, then Notification Bar, and more options to customize. Now go back to Plugins, let's copy the name of the plugin and search it on Google. Let's open this first link, and here you can see its price. Below we have more information about it, like ratings, designs, etc., and below you can see a comparison table for Pro and in the free version of it. You can compare its features. On top, in pricing, we have a membership option as well. You can buy accordingly. Back to Plugins, the next one is Thirsty Affiliates. Choose it from the dashboard panel, then go to Settings. Here we have a general setting, then Link Appearance. Now the first one is Link Prefix, to set the prefix of the link. Then select New Affiliate Link, and here enter your affiliate link in the destination URL section. Below you have a section to attach images. Add your site title and save link from here. Now you can view post from this link. Copy the link from here. Now go back to Settings, and in Link Appearance, set Link Prefix to go and save changes. Once done, go to the Affiliate Links section, and here you can see your post. Click View or copy the link and paste in the browser, and now you can see your new link with the prefix go in it. So these are all the plugins you should install. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 28. How to use Review plugin on your site. In that video, we will take a look at how to use Review plugin on your site, step by step. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 28. How to use Review plugin on your site. In this video, we will take a look at how to use Review plugin on your site, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on Posts, and from it, choose Add New. A little below, here we have Review section, and inside we get Review type. Set it to your liking, like star, then insert Review heading with product name, Review item schema, select it from the list. Then name of the software, description, image, more link text, then insert your affiliate link, select button style, offer price, currency, operating system, application category, author, rating schema, etc. Next is Review item, click on Add item, and here enter feature name, feature score, color, etc. Then next feature with same details. Likewise, add more according to your liking. Below we have Review description, here enter the title as summary, then description, pros and cons. Then user review. Again, you can add more review items from here. So this is how to use Review plugin on your site. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 29. How to find guest posting in any niche for backlink. In that video, we will take a look at how to find guest posting in any niche for backlink, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.